Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Lexus IS versus the BMW 3 Series versus the Mercedes C-Class. We will explore their key differences to help you decide which luxury sedan best fits your lifestyle. Each car brings unique strengths to the table, from performance to interior comfort. We'll dive into what makes each model stand out, ensuring you have all the information needed for an informed choice. When it comes to performance, the BMW 3 Series typically offers a more engaging and athletic driving experience, often with engines producing over 250 horsepower. The Lexus IS, on the other hand, focuses on a smooth and quiet ride, prioritizing comfort for its passengers. The Mercedes C-Class strikes a balance, providing a refined yet capable drive that feels luxurious and responsive in various conditions. Inside, the Mercedes C-Class truly shines with its opulent design, premium materials, and a large, integrated central display. The Lexus IS provides a well-crafted interior with excellent build quality and an intuitive infotainment system. BMW's 3 Series offers a driver-centric cockpit, emphasizing ergonomics and a sporty feel, with controls placed perfectly for easy access and a comfortable driving position. Considering value, the Lexus IS often boasts impressive long-term reliability and maintains a strong resale value over time. BMW and Mercedes-Benz models, while offering premium features, can have higher ownership costs due to maintenance and optional upgrades. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize sporty performance, luxurious comfort, or long-term dependability. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.